Today I don't have any specific topic for you, but what I am going to tell you is that the importance of growing little by little, irrespective of any skill that you want to acquire. So let me convince you of the importance of growing little by little by sharing this example with you. The example is a consistent drip of water falls onto a rock and cleaves it over time. Cleave means to divide, separate or split something. So it develops a great crack in that heavy and large rock in the long run, and it becomes possible just because of the persistent dripping of water. If you compare the strength of a drop of water and a heavy rock, it's incomparable. But as I said, it becomes possible just because of consistent dripping of water. The reason I am sharing this example with you is to tell you you can bring a significant change with small consistent efforts. You can relate this example to your English learning. If you practice English even just a little every day, this practice will contribute to your success of becoming fluent in it. In short, small steps make a huge difference in the long run. So never give up on learning English and make gradual progress. That's what I wanted to tell you. Well, so if you have any concepts, doubts, questions related to English, mention them in the comment section so that I will take a look at them, and if I think something is going to be helpful for you, I'll try to pick it in one of my upcoming videos. Thank you.